Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to 5-Minute Stories. I am Miss Ashley, the youth librarian at the Port Charlotte Library, and today I have a really fun story to share with you that I actually made up with my little girl. So one of my favorite things to do is to tell stories and to make them up as I tell them. It's a great exercise to do with your child and super fun to do. So I do it with my daughter almost every day. We take turns just telling little stories. While hers mostly feature her favorite animals, kitty cats, mine feature all different animals. So I once told you the story of Grandmother Spider and how she brought the sun to the world. That's an old Native American story that's really good. So this one is very similar to that, and it's called The Big Splash. And it starts like this. Once upon a time, all over the ocean, they heard a great big achoo, and then a splash. And the dolphins at the surface were the only ones who saw what happened. And do you know what? It was pretty crazy. The sun was up in the sky. Then all of a sudden, she sneezed a great big sneeze, and splash! She fell into the ocean, and she sunk lower and lower and deeper until she rested on the bottom in one of the deepest trenches there are in the ocean. And the dolphins quickly told all of the other animals, emergency, emergency, the sun fell into the ocean and it's dark in the sky. So all of the ocean animals got together, and the great white shark said, this is not good at all. What should we do? And the animals began to give suggestions. And the octopus raised one of her 8 arms and she goes, oh, I know what we can do. I will swim down and I will wrap my arms around the sun and bring it back up to the surface. And so all the animals agreed and said, yes, that's a good idea. And so the octopus began her descent down, deep into the ocean. But as she got there, she noticed that it got brighter and brighter and hotter because of the sun. And she could not even get near enough to the sun to touch it with her tentacles because, it burned her tentacles. And so she had to give up and swim back up towards the surface. And she told the animals, I'm so sorry, the sun was too hot. And then another animal, the great big whale, had an idea. He raised one of his flippers. I will go down to the deepest part of the ocean, and I will use my great strong back to lift the sun up out of the ocean. And the animals thought, that was a good idea. And so he began to swim farther and farther and deeper towards the sun. But as he got there, he noticed that the water didn't just get warmer, it got brighter and brighter, and his little whale eyes couldn't handle the brightness. He was so blinded, he had to quickly swim back up. And so he told them, I'm so sorry, I couldn't do it. It was just too bright. And finally, there was a click, 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 click. Can you guess what animal could make that sound in the ocean? Click, 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 click. That's right, it was a little crab. And the little crab clicked her claws, click, 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 click. And she said, I will go down into the bottom of the ocean and I will grab some seaweed and I will wrap it around the sun. That way I won't touch it. I'll keep my eyes shut tight and we will make this work. And so she got all of the animals involved, and they all swam as far down as they could near the sun. And the little crab with her hard shell could not be burned by the sun. And so she crawled along the bottom of the ocean. She picked up all the little seaweeds and she started to tie them into knots and form a net that she cast over the sun. And when the net was up over the sun, the whale was close enough that he could grab on to the net and pull it all the way around the sun. And then all the animals got together and they began to heave-ho, pull that sun up through all the levels of the ocean. Up it went, brighter and brighter and brighter and warmer until finally it reached the top of the ocean, the surface of the water. But how were they going to get it into the sky? Well, the whale had one more idea. He swam underneath the sun while the other animals were pulling it up. And then he asked the octopus to tickle his nose. And so the octopus tickled his nose, and sure enough, that whale let out a great big sneeze, achoo! And the water in his blowhole went and that pushed the sun up into the sky, and they were able to return the sun to the sky and make it day again. Isn't that a wonderful story? It's a silly one too, and it changes every time I tell it too, as we add more elements and more animals and stuff. So it's just a fun way to pass the time, to get your creative juices going, and to really let a child's imagination soar by just telling stories with absolutely no rules. So next time you feel like telling a story, you should do it. Happy reading!